Did you know that when Canva isn't loading, it might not be your Wi-Fi at all? It's frustrating when you're in the middle of a design and suddenly everything freezes or won't save. Before you restart your router or uninstall your browser, you need to check if the problem is actually on Canva's end. Let's jump right in. First, the most reliable way to get the truth is to go straight to the source. Open your browser and head over to canvastatus.com. This is the official hub where Canva tracks every single part of their ecosystem. When you get there, you'll see a list of different services. You want to look for a green bar that says all systems operational. If you see anything in yellow or red, it means they are currently dealing with an outage or scheduled maintenance, and there is nothing you can do but wait for their engineers to fix it. Now, sometimes this official page takes a few minutes to update, but you need to know what's happening right this second. That is where crowdsourced data comes in. Head over to Downdetector. This site is great because it relies on real people reporting issues in real time. If you see a massive spike in the graph within the last few minutes, you're definitely not alone. Another solid backup is a site called IsCanvaDown. It acts as a third-party monitor that cross-references several data points to confirm if the servers are reachable. If those sites say everything is fine, it's time for a quick local test. Try to load canva.com in a completely different browser or use an incognito window. If it works there, the issue is likely just some messy cache or a glitchy extension in your main browser. I hope this helps you get back to designing faster. If you want more quick Canva fixes and tips, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.